This video we'll be checking out an easy way to trade our Gbpusd and of course gold USD. Okay, so so many people have been asking for this, then we will be checking it out together and see how much profit we can make from there today. Okay, so quickly before we go fully into it, in case you are joining us for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is the platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. All you need to do is just for you to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, and of course make sure you understand every part of the trading strategies. Practice very well on your demo accounts before trying them out on your real account. Okay, this is very important. Okay, and if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Okay, quickly let's go straight into what we have right here. Okay guys, this is Gbpusd, and of course let's see what is happening around there. Okay, so that we get to see how we can tap into it. Okay, right from here, just the way we're seeing it. Okay, this had been on what is it called, it actually went on downtrend after getting to this resistance zone. You can see it has been going down and down, but this is on the higher time frame. Okay, so let's bring it down a bit. Okay, so let's get to 30-minute time frame. Okay, let's see what we are having right here. Okay, on a 30-minute time frame, let's see what we are having right here. So as you can see, okay, this is still maintaining it. You can see down here, check it out. You can see that ever since it got to this region, it pulled back, went back up again, pulled back. Okay, went back up, pull back, and of course it maintained the structure right here. Okay, so this is very important. It is important we notice all this. Okay, but in order for us to analyze better, because so many people have been finding it difficult to do all these analysis, okay, I will advise us to go down to 5-minute time frame. Okay, to see what is happening on 5-minute time frame. That will give us more knowledge about the market. Okay, we are checking out GBP USD. You can see around there it got to the support zone. It went on a buy trend for a very long time, and we're able to milk the market successfully. And when it got to this region, it started selling. Okay, you can see it selling down and down. Okay, so we were able to come across this opportunity and took advantage of it, just because we made it very easy for ourselves. And I'm going to share with you how we made it very easy for ourselves right from here. So I'm going to bring up a certain setup that you guys can also use to make some good amount of money for yourself right from here. Okay, it makes it very easy for you to do your analysis right away, and of course you're going to love every bit about it. Let the setup load up. Okay, once the templates load up, then you're going to see what I'm talking about. Okay, you can see this setup actually works for currency pairs too, and it makes it more juicy, okay, than what we were doing before. Okay, so if you should notice right here, it got to the support zone around here, and we can see it's pulling up, and of course right here gave us an uptrend signal around there, and gave us a buy trend signal around there. So you can imagine, this is the reason for making lots of money at the early parts. Okay, so you can see, and coming in around here and making profit till it got to this region. Okay, you can see around here. That's a lot, guys, that's a lot. Okay, so you can imagine, depending on the lot size that you are using, it will give you lots of profit right from there. Okay, so, and of course there is one thing I also need to explain to you. Personally, I'm in a broker that gave me zero leverage, and of course, I mean zero spread, a broker that gave me zero spread, and my leverage is 1:2000. So it gives me the opportunity to make more profits using this strategy. Don't worry, I will be dropping the link. Not all the broker will give you such opportunity. Most broker will not give you zero spread. Most broker will not give you 1:2000. The highest most of them will give you is 1:500. Okay, so I will be dropping the link to the broker in the description box below this video, and it's a reliable broker because I've been using them for long, and they just got rebranded, and of course they are still performing very well. Okay, so you can also look into them and use the broker right away. Just check out the description box below this link, below this video, and of course you're going to see their link there. Click on the link and do your registration right there. If you want to use the same broker, you can imagine trading this particular asset from here, because so many people have been asking me, why are we picking the same trade and we close at almost the same place, and of course using the same trading tool, and I make more money than them. Okay, this is the reason that this is why I'm making more money than them. Number one, I'm using zero leverage, zero spread. I'm using zero spread, and not all broker will give you that opportunity. In most cases, if I close my trade here in profits, you might not be in profits at that particular point. Okay, or probably you are in profit but you have not gotten up to what I have gotten, because I am using zero spread. My broker is giving me zero spread opportunity. Yours is not giving you zero spread opportunity. In most cases, if my order is in profit, yours will not be in profit at that particular time. Okay, because I am using zero spread. Then another reason why I'm able to make more money was because I'm using 1:2000 leverage, which gives me more opportunity to open more order with the same capital that you are unable to open those amount of order which I opened. So which means if the market favors me, then definitely I will still make more profit than you. Okay, that is the purpose of using the right broker and a reliable broker. Okay, so this is it. So that is the broker I'm using. You can check the description box below this video and take advantage of the broker right away. You can also ask them questions, do more research about them. They are supporting, they are so amazing, and of course very easy to use. Probably I will create a video one of these days to explain more about that broker. Okay, but you can go ahead and check out the link in the description box. Seeing them, you will know that okay, this is cool. Okay, and of course they are reliable because they've been in existence for a very long time. Okay, so that is that. Then after that, at the early part of this morning, we got this signal, this sell signal, and you can see it is already at the resistance zone. The market has played around there for a while, so we got the sell signal. And why should I go on with the sell signal? Why did I go on with the sell signal? Because the market has gotten to the resistance zone and it has been looking for a way to break out below the support zone. It gave us a downtrend signal around there, and of course it gave us a sell signal around there. So all I just need to do was just to place my my sell order around here. Immediately we got that, I placed my sell order around there, and I put my stop loss somewhere here. Okay, somewhere here. Okay, you can see it didn't get to my stop loss, and of course it kept on selling right from there, most especially when it broke out below this particular support zone. I created more order around there. Remember, I'm using a big leverage, so it makes it very easy for me to be able to create more orders. Okay, you might not be able to do that if you are using a different broker that does not allow you to do that. Okay, so I kept on opening more orders, and of course this kept on going down and down. And the beautiful thing about currency pairs or gold market is that once it breaks out from a support zone or a resistance zone, you just see it going in that direction for a very long time. This actually made me a lot of profit, and I closed my trade somewhere here. I didn't even let it get to the final support zone. I closed it somewhere here, and of course it gave me lots of profit also. Back to back, guys, back to back. Okay, so that's so amazing. Let's check if this setup also works for gold. Okay, let's check gold. This is gold. It also works for gold. Okay, you can see it right here. We got a buy signal around there, and here should be a support zone. We got a buy signal around there, and of course it bought for a long time. You can see we actually closed the signal somewhere here. Okay, we closed this somewhere here because we actually locked up 80% of the signal, 80% of the profit. So it got to the resistance zone and pulled back and hit the stop loss to close the trade at 80% profits. Okay, locked up. Okay, so that's so amazing. So right now we are on the sell signal, and of course it has been playing around, even though it's trying to break out below this support zone. Once it breaks out below it, then definitely it's going to sell more, so you should watch out for that. Okay, so these are ways of making some good amount of profit for yourself. The first thing you should understand is the trend of the market. The second thing you should understand before you pick up your trade is the support and resistance zone. Okay, is it around the support zone? Is it around the resistance zone? And is the signal that we are getting, is it in support of the trend? Then definitely, if all these are in line with one another, then you can easily go in and make a lot of profit right from there. You can imagine making over $1,000 as early as this is so unique. Okay, you too can also do the same thing. Okay, so it's all about using the same strategy, using the right strategy, and also using a good broker that will help you to make more profit easily without any hiccups. Okay, guys, so I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash, and if you have any question at all, feel free to contact me. My contact details are in the description box below this video, and if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless.